Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to show you a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a 1947 Chevrolet Stylemaster two-door sedan. Man, what a beautiful car. Kind of a plum colored, original style tan interior. This car is done just a little bit differently. It is upgraded drivetrain. It has a 4.3 Vortec V6 in it, automatic overdrive transmission. It has power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. Sitting on a gorgeous set of chrome torque thrust style wheels with the spinners. Now, this, like I say, this is one gorgeous car. The paint, the body, the interior, the attention to detail is absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, you'll notice the hood is up. It's got an inside hood release, so I didn't shut it all the way so I could open it up for you for this video. Underneath the hood's no exception. Just very, very nicely done. And this little car gets down the road excellent. Still has plenty of power. I know people are saying, oh, V6, it's not a V8. Well, it runs great, it drives great. Check out this interior. It's like the original style interior that's been completely redone. This is super soft. Man, it is just beautiful. All the gauges work. Vintage air, upgraded retro radio. The carpet's gorgeous, the side panels, the headliner, side panels, package tray, rear seat. Man, this thing, look how much room you got back there too. This would be a great car to cruise and enjoy. 10-bolt GM rear end, rear sway bar. I'd say the air is ice cold in this car. The paint is phenomenal. A couple small little chips that I seen, but other than that, got one small little chip right here. Piece of dirt. One small little chip right here, and it's got one on the back that I seen, but other than that, the paint is gorgeous. The chrome bumpers are beautiful. The stainless trim, bright work, just as nice. Rear mounted battery, big container full of receipts and parts. Jack, spare tire. This baby's ready to hit the open road. I got this car in on trade from a friend of mine. And he's just like we are here at Kinion Classics. He knows quality when he sees it. I had to check and see if that window was even rolled up. It's so crystal clear. Same way with the grill, beautiful bumper. Even the door handles, just gorgeous. Door locks. Man, somebody spent a lot of money on this car. Seat belts front and rear. I gotta sit in that back seat. I gotta see how comfortable this is. Oh yeah, plenty of room in this thing. Look at this. My knees aren't anywhere close to that back seat. Got a, what is that, a hula dancing pig up there in the dash, it looks like. Even has cruise control. The starter button is on a weird spot on this car. I'm going to show you where it's at. It is right here. Don't ask me, but that's where it's at. Look at that. Look at the dash lights. There's the wipers. They're still, the wipers are vacuum. They work perfect. Radio works. The auxiliary deals. Fan. Air blows cold. There's that other chip I was telling you about right here. That's what we do here at Kinion Classics. I'm going to show you exactly what I see on these cars. Try to give you a good understanding of what you're buying. And this, as I stated already, this car is quality, quality, quality. Sometimes when you open the hood on these cold cars, I already pushed it in, but sometimes when you open the hood, this stays out, so you got to push it back in when you go to shut it. I did that earlier, and I think that's why I didn't close it all the way, but I figured that I'm going to open it in the video anyway, so let's take this bad boy for a drive. Man, what a gorgeous car. Daylight out, we don't need those. All those gauges in the dash work, speedometer works. I don't know about that clock. I haven't paid attention if that's moving yet or not. Look at that. Holy cow. This thing drives wonderful. Holy cow, what a great car. I like it even better now that I drove it. I mean, look at this thing. Right down the road, no issues, no problems, no nothing. Just an awesome car. That air conditioning is blowing ice cold. Cruise control works. I'm trying to do is figure out how to get that wiper to stay shut off. It keeps, when you get going, it keeps wanting to jump up. So I don't know, I think that switch is in the off position right there. And it still has the original steering column and the original steering wheel shifter, which I think is just cool. This thing has plenty of power, goes right down the road, no issues. Like I said, somebody's gonna get a wonderful car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. Kinion auto.com. 563-452-2450. You want to get in touch with us here on this 47 Chevrolet Stylemaster. Just by the quality and what I'm going to price this car at, it won't hang around long, so give us a call today. I really appreciate you watching my videos. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you to all the people who have subscribed. You guys make it possible for us to be successful, and we really appreciate that. So have a great day, everyone. Again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, KinionAuto.com. I'll talk to you soon.